Throughout each fiscal year, the Department of Community Services embarks on road construction and repaving projects. This year, $3.2 million worth of capital projects improved 3.5 miles of city streets. A highlight is the Springfield Avenue sidewalk connecting East Summit to the downtown, creating a safe walking route for school children and other pedestrians. Our engineering division redesigned Springfield Avenue. This street was previously considered too narrow to accommodate sidewalks. Through creativity and excellent design by our city engineers, Springfield Avenue is the crowning achievement of our summer work. The Division of Public Works completed the paving of Hillside and Crescent Avenues, Harvard Street, and Watchung Place. The division laid more than 500 tons of asphalt and microsurfaced 11 streets to extend the life of 3 miles of roadway. Doing these projects in-house saved the city $125,000. The engineering division crafted the road work strategy and provided oversight during all the work. The division also oversaw the paving of Bank Street parking lot. Engineering helped the Parking Services Agency to complete the installation of over 2,000 feet of conduit for a license plate reader at the transfer station. Through a shared services agreement, we saved the Board of Education $300,000 by utilizing the Division of Public Works to pave the Washington School parking lot. These are excellent examples of how shared services, when utilized on the right type of projects, can generate substantial benefit for all involved. These are the highlights so far in 2017. We now anticipate the advance of colder weather and are refining our plan for winter management of these roads.